Forgive me, Father, for what I'm about to do. Please take care of my family. Take care of my mom, my dad, and my brothers and sisters. Just please forgive me, Father. Yeah. I'm coming out now. I'm coming out. But just please, man. Please make sure it looks like a mistaken hit. I don't want my parents to find out at all that I wanted to kill myself. Just please, it must look like a mistaken hit. Yeah. I'm coming out now. Alright, be ready. Alright. Who are you?
You are dead.
We are your ghosts.
My ghost.
We were assigned to be your angels. Do great things.
You abandoned.
What are you talking about?
If you're meant to help me to do great in life, you should be do a good job. Because look at me.
Ishmael.
I killed myself. You abandoned.
No, you abandoned us. Where were you when we needed you? When the people needed you? You are hiding, Ishmael. Pretending to be someone you're not. You abandoned us all, Ishmael.
What are you talking about?
We came to you because only you could have brought us to life. But now, we must die with you.
I don't understand.
The Master sent us to you in the form of dreams, visions, ideas, and stories. But you ignored everything we put into your heart. You were afraid of what people might say. You settled for less.
I still don't understand.
You were supposed to be the world's greatest actor in the history of the world.
But now, all those dreams must die with you. We can never be fulfilled and show the world what we had to. You killed us, Ishmael.
I'm sorry. Please, give me a second chance. I promise I'll chase after every dream. I'll tell all my... Give me a second chance.
Ishmael, I'm sorry. We can't.
No.
Like I said,
No.
we were assigned as angels. But you killed us. And now, we are your God. Dying with you.
No.
Forever, Ishmael.
No. There's something you can do. Just... No! Please give me a second chance.
soldier.